These are the directions for playing My Bonnie Lies Over the Ocean. This is a sea shanty as well, and it was sung by crews as they were sailing across the seas in their ships carrying their cargo. And when we say the word Bonnie, we mean like my darling or my sweetheart that's over across the sea, and we want to bring them back to us. So when we sing the song, we either stand up or we sit down on the words that start with the letter B. So I'm going to sing the song really quickly. I'm going to be using my fingers. If I point up, we stand up. If I point down, we will sit down. And the rules to the game are if you accidentally stand when you're supposed to sit, or you accidentally sit when you're supposed to stand, you are out. So let's just sing the song so we can review how it goes and we can listen for those B words, okay? And I'm going to use my fingers. Here we go. My Bonnie lies over the ocean. My Bonnie lies over the sea. My Bonnie lies over the ocean. Oh, bring back my Bonnie to me. Bring back, oh, bring back my Bonnie to me, to me. Bring back, oh, bring back my Bonnie to me. Now that we have reviewed the song, we're ready to play the game.